Hello students, how are you? I hope you are well and healthy at your home and you are doing your studies regularly. And today I am here with new video of chapter number 3, admission of a new partner. In last video we studied the calculation of new profit sharing ratio on different cases. We have discussed only 5 cases in last videos. That first case was when old partner ratio is given and only new partner ratio is given. Second method is when new partner get or purchase his old share from old ratio equally. Third case is when new partner take his whole share by any one of the old partner. And fourth case is when old partner give new partner their ratio in specific ratio. And fifth case that we studied given in a particular fraction. Now sixth part, when we calculate the new profit sharing ratio, when old partner surrender means sacrifice his share in particular fraction in favor of new partner. In this case, for example, there are two partners and they are eating their cake in the ratio of 7:3. After that, a new partner will come and A surrender 2/7 of his share. A surrender of his share and B surrender 1/7 of his share in favor of C. In this case, two partners A and B, they are sharing their profit, eating their pizza in the ratio of 7:3. And C come and A sacrifice 2/7 of his share. Remember it, of means multiply, 2/7 of his share. A share is 7/10. In this example, A share is 7/10 and B share is 3/10. And A sacrifice 2/7 of his share. That means 7/10 multiply 2/10, and B surrender 1/7 of his share. That means these are sacrificing of A and B, and it is given to the C. Then C share become total of A sacrifice and B sacrifice. So how can we calculate? First of all, in this case, we calculate the A sacrifice ratio, because A and B surrender means sacrifice. So first of all, we calculate A surrender. His share is equal to 7/10 multiply 2/7 is equal to 2/10. And B surrender, sacrifice his share 3/10 multiply 1/7. That is 3/70. And now C share become C share, yes, C get from A and B is equal to 2/10 plus 3/70. A ने सरेंडर किया 2/10 और B ने सरेंडर किया 3/70. It is become the C share. 70 LCM, that is 14 plus 3, 17/70. It is the surrender, sacrificing ratio. But we want to find the A and B new ratio. How can we find the new ratio? That is old ratio minus new ratio. A old ratio is 7/10 and he sacrificed 2/10, that is his ratio become 5/10, and B's old ratio is 3/10 and he surrender 3/70, then LCM becomes 70. 21 minus 3 is equal to 18/70. It is the new ratio of B and it is new ratio of A. So now we calculate the new ratio of the firm. Firm is have now 3 partner A, B, C. Now we calculate the new ratio of A, B and C is equal to A ratio 5/10, B ratios 18/70 and C ratio 17/70. LCM is 35 ratio 18/70. So it is the ratio, new ratio of the firm. In this case, surrender part of each partner is given of his share. First of all, we multiply surrender his share with their share. And now case number 7, when share of new partner is given and new ratio of old partners is given. In this question, new partner share is given and old partner new ratio is given. For example, A and B are eating their pizza in a particular ratio which is not given, and C will admit with the 1/4 share. Here C come and he takes 1/4 share. A and B agree, and then after that A and B decided that 1/4 share C. Remaining part is taken by A and B in ratio 2:1. So how can you find out this method in new ratio? In this case, we use same as first case rule. Let profit 1, C share 1/4. Now we calculate remaining part because A and B distribute remaining part of the cake into ratio 1. So we calculate remaining part, remaining profit is equal to 1 minus 1/4. Answer is 3/4. Now this 3/4 cake is divided between two partners A and B in 2:1. Then A new share is 3/4 remaining part multiply 2:1, that means 2/3, and it become 2/4, and B new share is 3/4 remaining part and 1/3, that means 1/4. Now we calculate the new ratio of A, B and C, that is 2/4 ratio 1/4 ratio 1/4. Then new ratio of the firm is 2:1:1. Now case number 8 of calculation of new profit sharing ratio. In this case, when old partners old ratio is given, old partners old ratio is given, new partner ratio share is given, old partners ratio is given and new partner share is given, but one condition is that one of the old partner, one of the existing partner don't sacrifice any share. He retained his profit in the original share. In this concept, one of the old partner take their share in original ratio. For example, there are 3 partners and they are distributing their share in 2:1. And one new partner is admitted, that is W, and he get the share 1/6. In this part, there are 3 partners XYZ and they divide their share, distribute their share in 2:1. After that, W will come and he get 1/6 share. It is old partner old ratio, it is new partner ratio is given. Now Z retain the original share. Z is not agree to sacrifice any his share. That means Z share is 1/5. Z retain his original share. How can we solve this concept? So, same as let profit is equal to 1 and W share new partner 1/6. Now here condition is that Z also retain the original share. That means first of all in the profit we give the W share, give to the Z share. Same, that means Z share is equal to 1/5. Now we calculate remaining profit is equal to 1 minus 1/6 plus 1/5. Then LCM is 30. Remaining part is 19/30. W and Z, after giving the share W and Z, the remaining profit is 19/30. And this 19/30 divided between X and Y in 2:2 because their old ratio is 2:2. So X share, X new share is equal to 19/30 into 1/2. 2:2, that means 1:1. 19/60. And same Y new share is equal to 19/30 multiply 1/2. 19/60. Now we calculate the new ratio of X, Y, Z and W. X share 19/60, Y share 19/60 and Z share 1/5 and W share 1/6. Now LCM is 60, 19:19, 12/5 the 60 and 6 tanja. So that new ratio become 19:19:12:10. It is the 8th case. Same like this in the question, different question, you face the different situation, so you solve the sum according to the situation. Now topic is calculation of sacrificing ratio. Now situation become then calculation of sacrificing ratio. And when we calculate the sacrificing ratio is calculated in the two situation. Number one, change in profit sharing ratio, and second is admission of a new partner. Whenever new partner is admitted, old partner sacrifice. So sacrifice ratio is calculated in only two situations, change in profit sharing ratio and admission of a new partner. And there are 5 cases for calculation of sacrificing ratio. Same situation, calculation of sacrificing ratio के लिए जो है आपको क्वेश्चन में डिफरेंट केसेस से सिचुएशन से स्टेटमेंट गिवन होगी. तो हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व द डिफरेंट सिचुएशन विद डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशन. सो फर्स्ट केस इज व्हेन इन द क्वेश्चन old profit sharing ratio of old partners and new profit sharing ratio of all partner is given. For example, A and B are partners. A, B and C are partners. They are divide their share, distribute their share in 5:3:2. And after that D is admit, and now after the D admission new ratio is given 3:2:2:2. Clear? New ratio is given 3:2:2:3. So it is the old ratio of old partner and it is the new ratio of all partners is given. Then how can we solve the situation? First of all, we calculate sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So we will find the sacrificing ratio by using this formula. First partner A, second B, third D. So A sacrifice is equal to old ratio 5/10 and new ratio is 3/10. That means 10 LCM 5 minus 3 2/10 sacrifice A. How much B sacrifice? Old ratio is 3/10, new ratio is 2/10, LCM is 10. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1/10. Now C sacrifice old ratio is 2/10 and new ratio is 2/10. That is 2 minus 2 0. That means he does not sacrifice any amount. So A and B sacrifice ratio is 2/10 ratio 1/10 is equal to 2:1. It is first situation. Now second case, when old profit sharing ratio is given and new partners share is given. For example, A, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 4:3:2. 4:3:2. It is old ratio of A, B and C, and after that a new partner D is admit and he get his share 1/10. D share is 1/10. So how can we solve this situation. In this situation, first of all, we let the profit is equal to 1 and subtract the new partner share 1 by 10 and calculate remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10, 9 by 10. And in this situation, we don't we don't find the directly sacrificing ratio. Firstly, we find the new ratio of ABC, and after that, we will calculate the sacrificing of old partners by using formula old ratio minus new ratio. In this case, first of all, we calculate new ratio of A, B and C. A new ratio is equal to 9 by 10 remaining part, and A will get 4 by 9. Old ratio है 4 plus 3 plus 2 9. So 9 by 10 remaining part, remaining profit है, और A will get 4 by 9. That means 36 by 90. And B new ratio is 9 by 10 remaining part, and he will get 3 by 9 of 9 by 10. That means 27 by 90. And C new share is remaining part 9 by 10, and he will get 2 by 9 share. That means 18 by 90. And in this question, we have to find the sacrifice ratio. We will find here sacrifice ratio by using formula old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio is 4 by 9, new ratio is 36 by 90, LCM is 90, then 40 minus 36 is equal to 4 by 90, that is sacrifice. And B, old ratio is 3 by 9 and new ratio is 27 upon 90, 90 LCM, and 30 minus 27 is equal to 3 by 90 sacrificing of B. And now C, old ratio is 2 by 9 minus new ratio is 18 by 90, 90 LCM, then 20 minus 18, 2 by 90. Sacrificing ratio is 4 by 90, ratio 3 by 90, ratio 2 by 90, 4 ratio 3 ratio 2 original ratio. And new ratio of all partner is equal to A ratio 36 by 90, B ratio 27 by 90, and C ratio 18 by 90, and D ratio is 1 by 10. So answer is 36 ratio 27 ratio 18 ratio 9. And we can say 4 ratio 3 ratio 2 ratio 1. Now case number 3. In this situation, sacrifice of old partner is given. For example, A and B are partners sharing profit 4 ratio 1, and C is admit and A surrender, A sacrifice 1 by 4th of his share, and B surrender 1 by 2 of his share to C. That means surrender sacrifice part ratio is given. So first of all, we calculate A sacrifice is equal to 1 by 4 of his share. Of means multiply 1 by 4 multiply share of A 4 by 5. That means 4 by में 20 and B sacrifice 1 by 2 of old ratio 1 by 5, that means 1 by 10. So sacrifice ratio is 4 by 20 ratio 1 by 10 is equal to 4 ratio 2, that means 2 ratio 1. Fourth case is acquisition of share by a new partner in a given proportion. For example, A and B are partner and they are sharing their profit in 5:3 and they admit C for 1 by 6, and this 1 by 6 share he will get from A and B in ratio 2:1. That means C 1 by 6 part get कर रहा है. This 1 by 6 part is given by A and B in 2:1. So how can we find the sacrificing ratio? Then A sacrifice is equal to 1 by 6 into 2 by 3, because A give to the share to C 1 by 6 of 2 by 3. Sacrifice is 2:1. Then 2 by 18 and B sacrifice 1 by 6 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 18. So it is their sacrificing ratio. And now we calculate new ratio by subtracting old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Then A ratio is equal to 5 by 8 minus 2 by 18 is equal to 50. 72 LCM, that is 37 by 72, and B share become 3 upon 8 minus 1 by 18, 72 LCM, that is 23 by 72. Then 72 upon 72, 37 upon 72 and 23 upon 72, and C share is 1 by 6, LCM is 72, 37 ratio 23 ratio 12. Now last case, when change in relative ratio between old partner is given. If A and B are partners and they admit C, in this ratio A and B are partners, that means they are the equal partner. Whenever no ratio is given, then they share the profit equally. A and B are partners equal, they admit C for 1 by 4, and in future A and B they divide their profit in 2:1. Here it is new ratio of A and B and it is sacrifice ratio. So how can we calculate the sacrificing ratio? First of all, we calculate new ratio. Let profit is equal to 1. C ratio is equal to 1 by 4. Remaining profit is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. That means 3 by 4. Now 3 by 4 share is divided between A and B is equal to 2:1. A new ratio is 3 by 2 multiply 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 4, and B new ratio is 3 by 4 multiply 1 by 3, that means 1 by 4. Now we calculate the sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is calculated old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio is 1 by 2 and new ratio is 2 by 4. Then A is not sacrificing any part and B, old ratio is 1 by 2 and new ratio is 1 by 4. 4 LCM, 2 to the 4, and here B sacrifice and give the share to C. So these are the different situation which you face in the question to solving it. So I hope you understand and thank you. Have a nice day.